Oh, that's I think the line for that one. I can see. Damn.
Ain't no way. Okay, gang, DisneySea today, and honestly, it is so cool. I love the vibes of it. It's very different to Disneyland. Is that a sakura tree? Oh my god.
That's crazy.
That's so crazy. Oh yeah. So cool. I feel like Disneyland was like cutesy and then this is more
Everyone
like...
has the same bags. Everyone did the same thing we did.
Oh really?
There's like so many classic bags I wrapped up with like Reki and that.
That's fair. It's so cool.
It's really gorgeous.
It's honestly like giving, I don't know, Europe?
Yeah, I think that's what it's based off of.
How did they hide that big ass bird?
We are on an island, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, but we couldn't see any of this from the gate.
This is, I think, the 20 Leagues Under the Sea.
Oh my god, I really want to go on that too.
That was the 40th.
Yeah, let's do that.
I reckon I'm still gonna, once we do it, I'm still gonna hop on and do it.
Check it out. I really hope they have a merch store.
I reckon they have to. You have a whole area full.
Look how, like, it's huge too.
There are fun rides on this side though.
Ain't no way it's sold out for, maybe they just don't have it at all.
That's what I'm saying. It might be too busy that they just don't sell it. Everyone does like 제일 만들 것 같아.
This is the one ride that I have been looking forward to for the most. Oh my god, it's... We've turned into fairies, which is why everything is so huge. Yeah, there's like paper clips as the fence thing. It's so cool. And the flowers are big as well. Next we're doing the Under the Sea ride, and we've got a 40th anniversary pass. What the hell? That looks so realistic. What the frick is that? What is that? Literally. Yeah, that's where I saw it. Wait, what ice cream?
The shell ice cream, I think it's amazing.
Wait, the Mickey ice cream?
I reckon they have it there.
I really.
Go at lunch, exactly at lunch.
I reckon I would, but.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Facing the wrong way.
That is very good.なんか弟みたい。It's like slowly going on this water ride. Cool.
I love boats so much.
Yeah, I love all like the water type ride.
They're going backwards.
Yes. They make it so close. It's just like that would be cute. Before we met Jasmine and Aladdin, and now they've got the monkey out. They've got a boot out. How cute! And the genie's out there too.
And we did see, I think Jafar's also here.
Oh, Jafar's also there, somewhere there. I can see. What the hell? No, for real, I think we need to do a new location post.
Yeah.
Don't worry, you're not in it.
For that show there, maybe.
Seems
I think there's projection boxes.